So dear friends, if you want to hide your read receipts on WhatsApp, you can do it so easily. It's pretty easy. But there is a small drawback of hiding read receipts, and I'll tell you at the end of the video what the drawback is. First, open your WhatsApp, click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Now click on settings. Now select the second option, privacy. And now look at this. This is the read receipts option. By default, this option will be turned on your WhatsApp. If you want to hide your read receipts, you gotta turn it off like this. When somebody messages you on WhatsApp and if you read their message, they won't be able to see the double blue text at the right of their message, which means they won't get to know that you have read their message. Now I'm gonna tell you what the drawback is. See, when you hide your read receipts, you also won't be able to see other users' read receipts. When you message somebody on WhatsApp and if they read your message, you also won't see any double blue text at the right of your message. So if you wanna see other users' message reading status, first you gotta show your own status. That's it. And I hope the video will help you in hiding your WhatsApp read receipts. And if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit like. And if you want to watch more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now.